Congratulations on the purchase of the SprayTech 2510 piston pump for use in applying Hilti CP672 Firestop joint spray. This program will help you understand the operation of the 2510 and give you important tips on applying CP672. The program will cover the following topics: pump assembly and setup, calibration and operation, product application techniques, and pump cleanup. After viewing the program, you should have a clear understanding of how to use the pump and quickly and effectively apply the joint spray. Hilti CP672 is a very effective fire containment sealer. It can be used in a number of building applications, including areas where fire-rated floors intersect with an exterior wall, in the small gaps between prefabricated concrete wall panels, and in joints where a gypsum or concrete wall is built under a rated concrete floor. Fire stopping is important because it can effectively block the movement of air and smoke from one area of a building to another. If a fire should occur, smoke and heat can be contained in a smaller area, protecting other areas and occupants from smoke. The fire can also be put out sooner and the amount of damage reduced. CP672 is a flexible fire-rated mastic that can be applied by spraying or with a brush. It meets the UL 2079 fireproofing standard and is water-based for easy cleanup. Typically, you can expect 200 linear feet of coverage with each 5-gallon pail. Your 2510 pump is especially configured to apply CP672. It is shipped with these components: a 50 by 3/8 supply hose, 3 foot by 1/4 inch whip hose, G10 spray gun, 227 reversible spray tip, 6-inch tip extension, and separating oil lubricant. Optional lengths of tip extenders are also available. It's also very important to carefully read and understand all the safety procedures outlined in the enclosed safety sheets. Before spraying with the pump, follow these procedures. Check all hose connections to make sure they're properly tightened. Also, check and tighten the connectors on the spray gun itself and properly align the spray tip. Power to operate the pump should be supplied by a 10-gauge extension cord plugged into a 20-amp outlet. Whenever possible, plug directly into a wall outlet. Make sure the current limit switch is in the 20-amp position. Tip the pump and insert the suction tube into the bucket of Firestop material. To prime the pump, turn the pressure control knob counterclockwise to the lowest setting. Put the prime spray lever into the prime position and turn on the pump. If needed, slightly increase the pressure during the priming process. Once the pump is primed, turn the prime spray lever to the spray position. Turn the pressure control knob clockwise to allow pressure to build until you hear the motor stop. This indicates that the unit has reached operating pressure and is ready to spray. We recommend you spray a test pattern before application. The spray tip included with the 2510 is a 227. This tip is reversible and self-cleaning. If it becomes plugged, just rotate it 180 degrees, pull the trigger, and it will clean itself. After it's cleaned, return it to the spray position, and the sprayer is ready to operate again. The 227 tip will apply a 4-inch wide fan pattern when spraying 12 inches away from the joint. Other patterns can be achieved with different size tips. Talk to your Hilti dealer about other available tips and where they should be used. When applying the Firestop material, distance and hand speed will change the fan width and the thickness of the material. For hard-to-reach areas, optional extensions or swivel heads are available. To clean the machine after use, turn it off and tip the pump backwards. Wipe off the suction tube with an old glove or rag. And replace the Firestop material bucket with a bucket of clean water. Turn the pump back on, reverse the tip to the clean position, and spray the remaining material still in the hose back into the Firestop bucket until water starts coming out. Add pump saver to the water and let the water pump saver mixture circulate through the system for a few minutes. Turn the pressure control knob down counterclockwise, then turn the prime spray lever to prime to clear the return hose. This is a good time to lubricate your pump with separating oil. If you have any questions about the safety or operation of the SprayTech 2510, please call the number listed on the side of your machine, 1-800-292-4637.